How to access draft posts on Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to save and find your draft post on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the What's on Your Mind field at the top of your feed to create a new post. From there, type out your post or add any photos or videos you want to include. At this point, instead of tapping Post, tap the back button to exit without posting. In the next step, a prompt will appear asking if you want to save your post as a draft. Tap Save Draft to confirm. Following this, Facebook will save your draft and send you a notification letting you know it has been saved. Once done, tap on that notification to be taken directly to your saved draft, where you can also access any other previously saved drafts. From here, you can continue editing your draft or tap Post to publish it whenever you're ready. Finally, keep in mind that drafts are only saved for up to 3 days. After that, they will be permanently deleted, so make sure to post or edit them before then. Keep in mind that the notification is currently the only way to access your Facebook drafts, as there's no dedicated drafts folder inside the app. And that's it. If this Facebook guide helped you access your draft posts, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.